How to make a clipping mask in Adobe InDesign. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you creating stunning designs in no time. First, import your image into InDesign and position it where you want to work. Hover over the image with your cursor. You will see a transparent circle, click on it. Next, go to the Edit menu, then select Cut from the drop-down. This temporarily removes the image. Now, select your shape, go back to the Edit menu, and choose Paste Into. Your image is now masked within the shape. Click on the transparent circle and use the Shift key to change the position of the image as you like. You can repeat this process with different shapes to get creative with your design. To save time, right-click on your shape, and you'll find the same Paste Into option in the context menu. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create clipping masks in Adobe InDesign. Play around with different shapes and designs to make your projects stand out.